Hey, Vlogmas day number 6. We're doing this thing. It is a beautiful Florida sunny day. We're getting out, charging at the moment, but we're going to do a little bit of work today. Maybe find another one of the world's largest that we tend to try to go after all the time. Because, we got to, if it's the world's largest, we got to see this and see if it really is. So, hope you enjoy the day. It's not going to be as action-packed as it was yesterday with Hollywood Studios. We need to relax a little bit. Got to work. Kids got to catch up on some school. And then maybe we'll have a little bit of fun. So right here in our park by Horseshoe Pits, we have our campground alligator that's laying out. Likes to sit on this spot here and sunbathe. But you can see him right there. All right, so we all needed a little bite to eat, and normally we eat in the camper, save the money, but we also seek out the world's largest things, and when you have the world's largest anything around, we have to visit it. That's just something that we always have to do. And this time that includes food. So we're going to go in here to the world's largest McDonald's that is located here in Orlando, Florida. Over 19,000 square feet on this McDonald's. It's recently been redone, so if you've seen it years ago when it had, 3-story tall French fries, this is all new. We're going to go in and check it out. Over 100 arcade games, way more than just a normal McDonald's menu. So pizza. Let's go eat and check this out. Build your own pasta, pizza, McRib. Alright, so not only does this McDonald's have all of this extra stuff, all these different desserts and pizza and build your own pasta, look at the size of this pizza. Folks, that's not a small pizza. That thing takes up the whole tray. That's what Kylie ordered, but I'm definitely taking a bite of it. Because I gotta test it out, see if it was really worth it.
What's up, chicken? Oh. My bad.
So, how was McDonald's pizza
It's good, thank you.
compared to a normal pizza restaurant? We need a full evaluation here.
It kind of tastes like glazed pizza. That's what I was gonna say.
So not that there's even anything here that I really need, a lot that I want, but we're here and there's an IKEA here, so here we are roaming around IKEA, dreaming and wishing and just having a day.
I'm cooking an orange right now. You want to help? No. You sure? No.
Start the day charging, we end the day charging, but got to be prepared for in the morning, get back out, do some more work. We've had a pretty decent day. Got to go to IKEA for a little while, check out the world's largest McDonald's. Kind of a slow day for day number 6, but tomorrow we move on. Vlogmas day number 7. Also, don't forget tomorrow is Pearl Harbor Day, so never forget December 7th, 1941, and all of the lives that were lost. Take a moment, say a prayer, and have a moment of silence and remembrance. Hope everyone has a great night. Take care.